Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys not playing. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about Stumble Guys uh, not playing, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to this window of Stumble Guys and you will click. Here in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Stumble Guys. You can uninstall your application, then you can wait a moment and you can install again your app to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.